more challenges, more opportunities. January 17th, 2016. The day I'll remember forever when I posted my first video on YouTube. From that day, there was no turning back. With a postgraduate degree in endodontics and with everyone in the society expecting me to either start a clinic or go for consultations, I decided to do what I wanted to based on my passion. And when I started my journey, it was definitely an amazing experience. Each and every moment. Countless challenges. As I say, you need to sacrifice in order to succeed. I completely disagree with this statement. Because when you wish to fulfill your dreams, you don't sacrifice. Rather, you put the right amount of effort in the right direction possible. Do you call that a sacrifice? Putting the effort, is that a sacrifice or is it a basic requirement? Just like how driving is an effort to reach your desired location, so is your journey towards fulfilling your dreams. Don't you think so? At least that's how I think. As a consequence, even countless challenges seem like countless opportunities. As long as you believe in what you're doing, there is really nothing to worry. Of course, people say many things. What do you really expect from them? Do you expect people to say soothing words? You hear many harsh words. They question your motives. They call you a fool. And it doesn't stop there. Take my word, it doesn't stop there. Bad mouthing is just an extension. But should that really bother you? Not at all. As Mahatma Gandhi rightly said, there is a higher court than courts of justice, and that is a court of conscience. It supersedes all other courts. By the way, when I posted my first video, there were 3 subscribers and some 6 to 8 views. This did not deter me. When the focus is on the process, successful outcomes will be natural consequences. Today, with over 50,000 subscribers and around 3 million views, I can tell you for sure that it's this orientation which keeps me going. All this wouldn't have been possible without your love and support. As human beings, we all have tremendous potential. Are we willing to tap into it consciously? Let's use all the negativity to power our positivity and look forward towards more challenges, more opportunities.